What's up everyone? In this video we're going to talk about what you absolutely must do if you are going vegan, if you're already vegan, if you're considering it, whatever it may be. We're going to talk about what you need to do for your dietary habits if you are considering or already vegan. Something I think is hypercritical for anyone that's practicing a vegan diet or considering a vegan diet is minding your macronutrients. Now, your micronutrients you're probably going to get quite a bit from the foods you're consuming on a vegan diet, but your macronutrients is where you're really going to end up being deficient if you don't pay attention. And by that I simply mean your protein, your carbs, and your fats, more specifically on the protein side. And in previous videos I've mentioned that I use different types of protein powders. Typically I stay clear of the whey proteins, the whey protein isolates, and I lean more towards vegan type of proteins, which are like pea and hemp based proteins. So that's why in this particular video I wanted to showcase the Pro-Organix protein powder, which is completely vegan, no animal byproducts, no soy, dairy-free, yeast-free. It's completely kosher and micronutrient benefits by way of they basically added greens and herbs for their antioxidant profile. They actually added green tea, which I've had great experiences with green tea. I've used it for fasting, I've used it for weight loss, I've used it to boost my mood and my energy levels, so I'm a huge proponent of the use of green tea, and the fact that they included it in the Pro-Organix protein is pretty neat. So if you are interested in trying this out, link is in the description below. Obviously, I'm not a vegan, and you may know that by following me on Instagram. I post a lot of food photos, but when I do consume protein powders, I typically lean more towards the vegan direction as opposed to the whey and animal-based products. So if you're practicing a vegan diet, I want you to consider the importance of your amino acid complex and the amino acid profile you're consuming, and the fact that it's very difficult to get that from plant-based foods. So it's really important that you try to incorporate some sort of protein powder so that you're not deficient in protein. When you're deficient in protein, not only do you not have any muscular development, not only are you going to be lacking in strength and energy, but your overall health and longevity is going to be impacted. It's going to be affected. So that's why I want to make this video here kind of as an outreach to vegans, because I get a lot of vegans that message me and say, hey man, have you considered going vegan and trying it? I noticed all your food posts on Instagram. Have you tried out some vegan stuff? So yes, I have tried out vegan stuff. It's always the protein powders that I try. I haven't actually tried a vegan diet. However, in 2019, it's something I'm going to be giving a shot. I'm going to try going vegan for probably a week or two just to get the experience, just to have that knowledge in the bank and have an understanding of what it's like to try to source all my foods from, you know, plant-based stuff instead of animal-based. And it's actually really tricky for me right now because I'm averaging around 3,500 calories a day. So to hit that is a bit difficult without the use of animal-based products. But I will be giving it a shot in 2019, so I'll keep you guys and gals posted on that. But again, in this video, I wanted to focus on highlighting the importance of the use of protein powder if you are considering a vegan diet. And it's just simply because I think it's super important to get that BCAA complex, the branched chain amino acids, and also to get your micronutrients as well, which you will do when you try products such as this Pro-Organix, because again, they add a lot of that stuff into it. Link in the description below. It's a bare bones, straight up product. Really, it's going to be great if you are considering vegan, and I highly recommend it. All information down below. Shoot me a message on Instagram or anywhere else if you have any questions about powders, proteins, dietary habits, and all sorts of different stuff, intermittent fasting. I have some really great new articles on lifehack.org across all these topics, so I encourage you to check out the links in the description below to have a look at those as well. But otherwise, if you're going to try some vegan protein powder, shoot this video with a like, comment down below, let me know, shoot me a message on Instagram. I'd love to hear about it. And otherwise, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was informative. I hope if you're considering a vegan diet, you are definitely considering your BCAA complex, your protein, and your macronutrients, and that's it. Thank you for watching as always. I'll catch you again in that next one.